Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this Matthumanpizza video, we're going to be working on the 1997 Ford Aspire. We're taking off the e-brake and removing it, and then just going to talk about how to install it. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. I already removed it because I did a video on it and I accidentally deleted all my content on the Windows Movie Maker, which irked me a little bit, but I'm going to show you how I removed it again. So it basically is there's two main bolts. There's two main bolts to this. So they're 12 millimeter sockets, and this goes in. As you can see, it matches. See the hole down here. Take that bolt off, and then over here over there, take that bolt off. Take that bolt off. Take that bolt off. It's two 12 millimeter sockets. I use a extension, but so you take that one off. Take that one off, and then you disconnect the electrical connections, which is one's right here. You just push down a little tab and pull it out, and then the other main thing to do is this cable. This cable will be inside here. It'll come down through the bottom and out here. And what you want to do is you want to get this thing off. This is on the end. It's on the end right there. And then you'll have this metal clip. This metal clip right here. This metal clip is underneath here. And you grab it by a pair of pliers. It slides in. You'll see it. It'll be it's right here. But you want to get to this part right here, and you can put a wrench over it, or I just twisted off with my hand because it wasn't on there very tightly. But it's on there like that. So you just grab a wrench or whatever, or pliers. Grab a pair of pliers and grab here and pull that out. That kind of like a gold pin, and then you counterclockwise take that off, and then you pull out the where's that? There. Pull this out right here. The end of the cable. See how it you can see all the where you twist it off there. This is filthy. I know it's really hard to anyway to clean. But so that's how you remove the e-brake, and yeah. So just one electrical connection in install is reversal of installation. So you get it in place. You want to put that cable in first. Put that cable back in there first. So you want to put this cable, and it slides. It'll slide in here and out here, and then put that little piece on there on the end. Twist it on there. Get it tight, and then connect your electrical connection back up here to down there, and then put the two bolts on or whatever, and you are good to go. And you'll have your e-brake. You'll have a brand new e-brake. So this has been another Matthumanpizza video. So from here on out, it's bonus content. So we're just gonna take a little stroll. And I'm gonna show you my garden. So we got some tomatoes. They're starting to grow here. There's a couple of tomatoes and a bunch of green beans. But these are going to be nice green beans. There's some already starting to grow. Supposed to thin them out, but forget that. A couple of flowers. There are some carrots I'm growing in here. I don't know if they'll grow or not. But anyway, this is Matthumanpizza land, and we have some all the bikes, and there's a pine tree over here, a couple pine trees, and the new project I've been messing around with is an in-ground pool. So I'll take this out and anyway, we're just going to stare at the ground and talk to the camera, and we just removed the e-brake, and you can install a new one. This is a nice Ford Aspire. Got some more videos coming at you. I'm gonna have plenty of videos coming at you. probably take off the EGR devices up there, the EGR solenoid and the boost sensor, if that's what it is. This I just sit on to easily work on the engine. Just my little easy techniques to make videos and, well, to remove parts and to show you guys where the parts are and a basic idea of how to remove them and install them, and then I could show you all the mistakes or correct ways to do it. Just gives you a little a better idea of this particular vehicle. And there's another, I think it's a Mazda Protege that's just like this big vehicle, but it's a Ford Aspire. Anyway.